Hi everyone. I'm going to give you I'm going to screen record my old computer, but it's going to help get the point across. You need to know that this is a chance of a lifetime. You need to know that things are changing very rapidly. And after I show you what I'm going to show you, I'll come back and I'll discuss for a moment. I think you're going to find it to be very valuable information. There is no question that digital transactions, cryptocurrency, is wiping out fiat currency. And I received this email last week, but I just couldn't, I waited to put it together properly to help you understand that this is a chance of a lifetime, that this isn't going away, and that this has been in the works for a long time. I'm going to show you a few examples. I want you to know that Citibank, they are waiving digital wire transfers in foreign currency are now fee-free. They don't have a choice because they've known this for a long time. And underneath the image, it says, make an international wire transfer in foreign currency through the Citi mobile app or Citi online and will waive the $35 Citibank fee. They don't have a choice. They're not the only bank. It's our way of helping you stay connected to family and friends. No. It's because they don't have a choice. They've been working on this for years. I'm going to show you a clip in a moment, like 30 seconds, and you'll understand. And to help get the point across, this is a chance of a lifetime, guys. There are cryptocurrency exchanges selling XRP again. And I'm really happy I waited to do this video because any of you that can buy XRP, in my opinion, this is a chance of a lifetime for you. They're still being sued, and you have cryptocurrency exchanges going, we're selling XRP again. They know something. XRP is unique in that it's intended for financial institutions and payment services, unlike other cryptocurrencies that are aimed at consumers. In using XRP, Ripple's native token, it serves utility. It serves a purpose. Banks and other financial companies can transfer money without needing to pre-fund accounts in other countries or pay hefty foreign exchange fees. Citibank's not the only one doing it. This has been in the works for years. And then you can do some research. Which major banks use Ripple? They're all connected already. I heard today, and I'm going to give his channel a shout out in a moment. FL-mcesare, whatever this is, this cryptocurrency, they're selling XRP. They know something. Nexo is too. I'm a big Coinbase user. I'm waiting for it to come on Coinbase again. You can't be a part of everything. I would lose it. I'm going to play this little clip for you. It's about 30 seconds long. Listen carefully to what, and this is going back a little of the ways. This is in 2018. But do you think it just disappeared? It is happening. This is your chance. And when I heard these two platforms were selling XRP again, well, they're not doing that for no reason. Listen up.
Rumors, and so you just avoid all of them.
Is there a possibility that Ripple could take over SWIFT one day?
Well, I think what we're doing and executing on a day-by-day basis is, in fact, taking over SWIFT. In that, we've now signed up, well over 100 banks. Some of the largest SWIFT-enabled banks in the world are now using Ripple's technology.
And there you have it. And that was in 2018. So, respectfully to...
This is Digital Perspectives. This is one of the many channels I watch. 100 banks in 2018. They were already doing business with Ripple. It's gonna when they flip the switch, it's going to be too late for you to get the prices that are selling today. I just thought I would give you a heads up. I'm also going to show you this. I did this again 2 weeks ago, but videos are a lot of time. I earned some free crypto on Coinbase. It's called Fetch.ai. That's artificial intelligence. You can look it up and see what they're for. But the point is, I watched the video and I answered some questions and I earned $3 of this cryptocurrency. And then I took 20 bucks and I bought what I could. Okay? Guys, chance of a lifetime. And I'm on the wait list to earn some free clover. And the list goes on. They're just going to keep doing that. When I earn some free crypto, then I buy a little bit. That's how I do it. Visit the links in the description below if you want to join Coinbase. Guys, if these crypto exchanges are selling XRP again, Coinbase is going to come back selling XRP. That's how I see it. Hundreds of banks. Hundreds. They're waiving the fee and they're making it sound like they're doing you a favor. They've known this has been coming a long time. I'm giving Crypto Dad a shout out because without his help, I would have never learned how to use the Ellipel. I think that's how you call it, Ellipel. And I'll show you that in a moment. Hi everyone. You know, I've done this video several times. It's just so overwhelming what's about to go down. There's a lot to learn. I learned how to use a cold wallet because of Crypto Dad. There's more responsibility, which is greater the reward, but it's a lot of responsibility to protect your own, your cryptos, your assets. Because if you don't, someone's going to take that away from you. It's worth the struggle of learning what's going on. This device is incredible. It's totally cold. It doesn't link to the computer with a hard wire. You don't use Bluetooth. You have to make sure you have your secret phrase or secret phrase or mnemonic. I'm not saying it right. Mnemonic code. You're responsible. There's no one to call if you lose it. Several locations. Make sure it's hidden well. Make it hard to find. And have it in several locations. If you gotta do stuff like that. You're your own bank. I'm sorry, but the VPN just keeps going off. That's something else you have to learn. Okay, it's on now. There's a lot of responsibility to do what you need to do to become that kind of financial abundance, have that financial abundance. I showed you what's going down. And they're either going to work with Swift and collaborate and figure something out, or Swift is going away because there's a lot of intermediaries that get a lot of money in between, and the little man always stays broke. This is an opportunity for people that can move money around globally using Ripple and the XRP token, cross-border, global, moving money around for pennies within under a minute. It's going to change the financial system, and it's here now. It's here now. Do you hear me? It's now. Not later. Now. That's how close we are. Crypto exchanges are selling XRP again, and there's a SEC lawsuit going on. When that finally receives clarity, the rest of the crypto world is going to go skyrocketing up, just like with Bitcoin. Higher it goes, the other cryptos follow. It's like it's right there on the brink, guys. We're right there. It's like the calm before the storm. That's exactly what's going down. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I could have given you hundreds of examples and sit here and record a video for hours. Example after example after example after, showing you how hundreds of banks are already working with Ripple. It's you can't deny it. It's not going anywhere. Okay. I watch a lot of channels, Digital Perspectives, Digital Asset Investor. Stay away from people. You can love them, you can respect them. I sat here all night by myself today. I bought this device 8 months ago. I needed to learn it before the end of the summer. And I have my crypto. I have a couple of ledgers and the little one too. I'm spreading my crypto around throughout all these wallets. Hardware wallet, totally cold wallet. It's not connected to the web. Once you use it, you understand it. It doesn't use Bluetooth. The Ripple. I sent myself money, crypto, and I sent crypto to my Coinbase account. And I did it over and over again until I understood it. And it was hard. With the help of Crypto Dad, I'm going to give him a shout out. Because when it's time to learn about all this stuff, that's who I watch. Over and over and over again. Because without that help, I would never be able to figure something like this out on my own. Not like this. This is hard. It's hard being your own bank. It's hard taking all the necessary steps to make sure that you can never lose your pass. I call it secret phrase. Your passwords. Your identification. It's all on you. QR codes. My desktop, QR code. My phone, QR code. QR code. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. XRP cheers and bearable bull. Oops. Talk about QR codes all the time. They're right. Digital currency, cryptocurrency. The fiat dollar is going away. This is a transformation of a new financial system coming into play. It's happening now. And to the people, and I've had people in the past year, younger than me, say to me, oh, that won't happen in my lifetime. What? Are you even paying attention? But I also understand if this is the case. When you're running the rat race, thinking that running and working and just work to go after that dollar, it's going to change your life. It's not. It's going to put you in an early grave. Nothing wrong with working hard, what you are passionate about, but you got to have a financial education. And right now it's about digital currency, ridding of the old financial system. SWIFT is either going to work with Ripple. You heard it. You heard it. And I could give you hundreds of examples. I've heard that so many times. Do you think it's not going to happen now? No, it's happening now. They're either going to work with SWIFT or SWIFT's going to be rid and Ripple's going to take over. And XRP. Example after example after example after example. It's not going away. This is life-changing. I know people who are dabbling in crypto. They're going to become the new millionaires. I know people that I watch. I know them from watching them on YouTube. I believe they're already millionaires. They're going to be billionaires. And then a lot of them are going to be cryptonaires. Many of the channels I watch, they got 20 times more than what I have. And I say I'm going to be a cryptonaire. I feel that Bypass is a billionaire. They're going to make me, I mean, they're going to be so friggin' wealthy. This is the transition into a new financial system. It's here now. Especially when I showed you that email with Citibank telling me, oh, we're waiving the fees. Well, you don't have a choice because you know what's going down. They already know what's going down. I believe they know it. What do you think? They don't know it? crypto exchanges selling XRP again. I can't wait till Coinbase starts selling it again. I'm very grateful I even understand Coinbase. I gained enough knowledge, I gained enough experience using it that I understand it now. Very intimidating learning something new. And yes, it's very time consuming, especially when you go it alone. I'm surrounded by people, I love them. The mindset, that sounds like so much work. I could never do that. That's not going to happen. I'm helping someone tomorrow, a loved one. No matter who it is. I told them what we're doing tomorrow. It's the first thing we're doing in the morning. Oh yeah, it's 1 o'clock. It was worth staying up. There are a couple of people that I don't want them to get left behind. And they did follow my lead a little bit. But they don't want to learn all this stuff. They're tired. If I didn't push them, they would have never dove in. So at least they'll have something when this switches like that. It's just going to switch. People are going to be left out in the cold. So my focus tonight was moving all my crypto around, spreading them out throughout many devices, hardware wallets, cold wallets, other kind of wallets that you put on your phone and apps, and like the Coinbase too. Spread it out. So if anything ever happened, people really want this crypto because they know. They go after you all the time. I'm not even close to the channels that I watch in popularity. And I already have people, I've noticed it for the past 6 months, leaving all the spam in the comments, and they're going after you, receiving emails, asking me for stuff, you know. Get lost. You got to train yourself to be your own bank. There's a lot of added responsibility. It's very nerving. It's exhausting. But it's going to be life-changing. I'm going to be that wealthy. If you asked me that 2 years ago, I wouldn't have said that. I said I was going to be wealthy for my online business. This and that, that and this. I'd be comfortable. Not this kind of wealth. I understand. I totally understand. And I did it myself. Very hard to do. I'm going to watch a lot of people get left behind. But you can't help everyone because those are the people. It's too much work. That sounds like a lot of work. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm listening to you. But they're not taking any action. I'm lucky I pushed the few that listen to me. What else can I tell you? The QR codes, they're all coming into play. XR Peaches and Bearable, they're so 100% right. Watch Digital Perspective, Digital Asset Investor, Bazilla. That guy, he's younger. He's going to be, I can't imagine how wealthy that guy's going to be when this all goes down. And it's going down fast and hard. I listen to all these channels. It's happening, guys. It's happening. The second half of 2021 is going to be incredible. I don't care how much the authorities wanted to hurt the economy. People like us that took a chance and gained the knowledge and experience and understand the opportunity of a lifetime and took the action to follow through to gain all the experience that you need to become that successful. I wish I could say more. I hope my examples are helping you help you understand, like actually get the point, what's about to go down. Visit the link below if you want to join Coinbase. You get a little something. Learning all of these things, it was worth it. I bought this 8 months ago. And I finally sat down and did it. I have to do it. I said before August is over, I got to do it. And I did it. And I understand it. And with the help of Crypto Dad. Guys, have a great weekend. Please don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't look back and say, damn, I wish I did. I wish I did something. Because you're going to be left behind financially. Have a good one. Thanks for listening. And I'll see you in the next video clip. I'll see you soon, guys.